हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू केमिस्ट्री चैम। सो लास्ट लेक्चर में जो हमने स्टडी किया था दैट इज ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन। सो उसी से रिलेटेड आज हम न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन से रिलेटेड न्यूमेरिकल हम किस तरीके से सॉल्व करते हैं। सो ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन से रिलेटेड हम यहाँ पे न्यूमेरिकल दो तरीके से सॉल्व करते हैं। इफ इन एनी क्वेश्चन देयर इज गिवन रेट कांस्टेंट यूनिट, लाइक रेट कांस्टेंट की अगर यूनिट हमारे पास गिवन है, रेट कांस्टेंट दैट इज के, इफ द यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट इज गिवन, सो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम बता सकते हैं कि हमारे पास ये कौन सा ऑर्डर है। लाइक दिस इज द जनरल फॉर्मूला रेट कांस्टेंट, दिस इज कंसंट्रेशन रेज टू द पावर 1 माइनस n डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम। ये हमारे पास जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है किसी भी ऑर्डर का रेट ऑफ कांस्टेंट की यूनिट निकालने के लिए। तो हम यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू अगर 1 रखते हैं, सो यहाँ पे कंसंट्रेशन raised to the power 1 minus 1 divided by time. So this is concentration raised to the power 0 divided by time. So if there is power any 0, so that is 1. So this is 1 by time. And in chemical kinetics we are taking time in seconds. So 1 by second. So per second is the unit of first order reaction because we are taken here N1. For same N0 concentration raised to the power 1 minus 0 divided by time. We have to put here N1, N0. So concentration raised to the power 1 here time. This is equals to, and in chemical kinetics we are taking concentration in terms of moles per liter. So moles per liter divided by second, time in second. So moles per liter per second, this is the unit of zero order reaction. If in any question this is given, like this is the rate constant, K is 2.4 into 10 to power minus 6 per second. What is the rate, what is the order of reaction? So by seeing this unit we can say that this is first order reaction. You can find out the same with second order reaction. You have to put here only 2. Okay, so this is clear how to find order from units. Now we find order with experimental data. In some question there are this type of experimental data were given and we have to find out the order. So how to find out the order? So firstly let's discuss this first question. So in this question there is given for a reaction A plus B they give C starting with the different initial concentration A and B. Initial rate of reaction were determined experimentally. Find the order of reaction. This type of experimental data were given here. There is the initial concentration of A is given, there is initial concentration of B is given, and there is rate given. Okay. So firstly by seeing this reaction we have to write the rate law expression. So what is the rate law expression? Rate is directly proportional to the concentration of reactants. So concentration of A, concentration of B. This is according to rate law. When we solve this proportional sign, so there equals come and a constant come because we remove this proportional sign and this is rate constant. So A raised B. And in this question we have to find out the order. So order is the sum of their power of their coefficient. So order is x plus y. These may or may not be equal to stoichiometric coefficient. If there is given 2, 3, maybe they 2 plus 3. Like in this question there is given 2 and 2 plus 3, 5. But more than 3 order is not possible. So we are not considering these x and y always equals to stoichiometric coefficient. Clear? So we have to find out the order with this experimental data. So these x and y may or may not be equal to stoichiometric coefficient. Let's solve this question. How to solve this question? Firstly we assume that this is our first equation this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So according to the first equation, this is our rate number 1, this is rate number 2, this is rate number 3, this is rate number 4. So from this first equation, rate is equals to 10 to power minus 3, there is given rate 10 to power minus 3, we are putting the values in this equation. This is equals to K, A, this is the initial concentration of A, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 raised to the power x, and B, 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 raised to the power y. This is from this first equation. Let us consider this is our first equation. Now from this second serial number, the rate will be equals to 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now we are considering the third one because we have to cut the powers of A. So we are considering third. From third serial number, this is written as 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is equals to K. We are putting the value of A here. So 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 x, there 10 to the power minus 1 raised to the power y. So this is equation number 2. Now divide equation 2 by 1. Equation 2 divide 1. So now solve this equation. 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 10 to the power minus 3. This is equals to K, 1.6 into 10 to power minus 3 y, x, here is x, K, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 x, and there is y, so 10 to the power minus 1 there, and there 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 raised to the power y. So their power are same, so we can write like this, the whole power x, this is the whole power x, or we can say that these are cut, clear, and we can write like this is whole power y, so we are writing this is whole power y, this is whole power y, and this k will cut from here, and this is 10 to the power minus 3 will cut from here. Now we are solving here, so 2 is equals to 10 to the power minus 1 divided by 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 raised to the power y. Now there is 2, this is equals to 1 power will be cut from here, and this is 1 by 5 into 10 to power minus 1 raised to the power y. Now this is inverse, we can write like this, 2, this is equals to 10 by 5, this is inverse, so we can write like this, 10 divided by 5 raised to the power y. 5 2 ja 10, so 2, this is 2 raised to the power y. If base is same, we can compare their power, so their power is 1, so y, from this equation y will be 1, so y is 1. Now from the same method, in this x will be cut. In the next equation we have to take those equations in which the power of y will cut. Okay, then we can calculate x. So this is y, now we have to find out the x. In the same equation, we are putting the value of y. In this equation, and from first equation and second equation, they will cut easily because their power is y. So from first serial number, so the rate is 10 to the power minus 3. This is equals to k 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 raised to the power x, 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 raised to the power y. This is our equation number 3. Now this equation 4 into 10 to the power minus 3, this is equals to k 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 raised to the power x, and there is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Simply we have to put these value in this equation. Clear? Now we have to solve this equation as exactly in same manner. This is equation number 4. 4 divided by 3. So 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 10 to the power minus 3. This is equals to k 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by k 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 x. There is 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 raised to the power y. So this will cut. The power of y will cut. Now we can find out easily x from this equation. So 10 to the power minus 3 will cut from here and k will cut from here. So the remaining equation will like, there is 4, there is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 raised to the power x. So 10 to the power minus 3 will cut. This will be 2. There is 4, 2 raised to the power x. We can write like this 4, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power x. Now base is same, so we have to compare their power. So x will be 2. X is 2 and y is 1. So order will be x is 2, y is 1. So order is 3. This is third order reaction. Clear? From this experimental data we have to calculate the order of a reaction like this. Simply we have to write the rate equation. In this we have simply put these values and find out the rate. So this is the question. This is for this question is your homework and you have to try by yourself, and जो आंसर होगा वो मैं पिन कमेंट में डाल दूंगी. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.